In this video, we will show you how to connect your firm's email to Tempello using Google Workspace. First, in the Connect Your Firm's Mail page, copy your Tempello email address. Then click the Login Google Administrator Console link below, which will take you to Google Workspace. Please note, you must have admin access to your Google Workspace to complete this setup. In the left toolbar, select Apps, then Google Workspace, then Gmail from the drop-down menu. On the right side of the screen, scroll down and select Routing. Click the Configure link for routing. In the pop-up window, write Tempello under Routing. Then under Email Messages to Effect, select the Inbound, Outbound, Internal Sending, and Internal Receiving boxes. Scroll down and under Also Deliver To, select the Add More Recipients box, and then click Add. Then paste your Tempello email address in the recipient address field and hit Save twice. Congratulations! Your setup is now complete.